Hi guys, another little video of mine I want to show you. We're having a problem with our Electrolux, and it's the Real Life XXL Aqua Save built-in dishwasher. We've been having problems where the light on the dishwasher just keeps flashing and continuously pumping out. So I've managed to fix it. So we take this out, take the cover off, inside here, up here, get the small Allen key, and in here, just here, clean it out. There's a little sensor in here. Clean this out. Just keep poking that up there. Do the same with this one. Obviously mine one has been cleaned. There's nothing else that gets this out. I've tried bicarbonate of soda, washing liquid, I've used 2 dishwasher tablets in there. Nothing got that out. So just clean that out. Once you've got all the gunk and rubbish out, stick your filter back on and close up and switch back on and give it a whirl. That will keep flashing. The bottom light will keep flashing. This will stop the problem.